Hi there, I'm Beth Temple, and I am here to talk to you about cutting fake fur. Whether you're making a cosplay or a holiday ornament, or you're adding a little faux luxury to the costume for the high school play, cutting fake fur can be a real mess, because as you cut with normal scissors and you think you're doing the right thing, what's going to happen is these little bits of fur are going to come loose and get everywhere. So it makes a mess, and in addition, when you're trying to sew it, you've got little short cuts coming out everywhere. So one of the things that I like to use is any kind of fabric marker that you might like, and you can trace whatever shape it is that you're trying to make, whether it's a straight line or a shaped piece. Maybe you're making a teddy bear or any other kind of shaped piece. And then instead of using scissors, I'm going to use an X-Acto knife or a utility knife, and I'm going to cut from the back. I'm not going to touch those fur strands at all. And if I give it a little, now I'm using my cutting mat because I don't want to mark up my table, but if I give it a little bit of height, take it a little ways away, and I'm using my utility knife and essentially tracing the shape that I have cut out, what's going to happen is the backing fabric, which is what holds the fake fur together, I'm going to cut that. But I'm not going to cut all those little fur strands, and I'm going to have a lot less of a mess and a lot neater item to sew with. So I'm just going to go a little bit more here. Of course, this works in a straight line too. I was just doing the shape to show you that it would work in any direction. All right, let me get this little section right here. Obviously, it's really good to have the knife going away from you, not towards you, in case you slip. Now, look, the piece came right out. Very little mess, very little fur coming off the edges. I have all my long lengths of fur. I don't have any kind of shortcuts that are going to get me later. And now I can use this and apply it to any little part of my project that needs some fake fur on it. So once again, I'm Beth Temple, and I hope this little trick makes your fake fur experience a lot easier.